Hello, in this video I will show you how to get Apollo Group TV on Samsung Smart TV. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is, first just simply turn off your Smart TV. So use your remote to power off your Samsung Smart TV. After that, just simply press the Smart Hub button on your remote control. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a square with a round corner and a letter C in the center. Just simply click on that. Then after that, just simply access the Samsung App Store. So once in the Smart Hub, navigate to the apps. Navigate to the app selection. You can do this by using the directional pad on your remote to move left and right or up and down. Then just simply search for the Apollo Group TV in the application. So use the search function, type Apollo Group TV by using the on-screen keyboard that appears in front of you. Just simply use that and you should find Apollo Group TV. So once you find the Apollo Group TV application in the search results, just simply select it, then select install to download and install the application on your Samsung Smart TV. After that, just simply launch the Apollo Group TV application. After installing it completely, you can find the Apollo Group TV app either on the Smart Hub home screen or in the app selection page. Use the remote to select the app and open it. Then just simply sign in or create an account if asked. And if you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one. So follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process as well. And after that, you're good to go. Once you sign in, you should be able to browse through and enjoy the content available on the Apollo Group TV directly on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.